Speedway, Bordertown, South Australia. The Rebuild Part 4.
What the hell is going on here? I don't know, but I'll get blamed. Was lawless time on the danger trail. The romance rode the rain. Unloaded 45 iron horses on a thundering rail. A Union Oil map and a rose tattoo from a Kansas jail. Like a big bull toad on a hot blade, I'm ready to blow. You can tell from the sound of my laugh. Sound like four flat tires bumping down a muddy road. Can't remember, sometimes good guys don't wear white. I will be your long tall Texan tonight. Straight down the highway as fast as you can go. Last of the finishing riders. We rode and rode and we still riding. Yeah! Now how you take the turn depends on how much spur you give it. Like me and Annie Oakley here, way past the 8-second limit. I spent a year with her last night. She was musically encouraged. Now here's 3 minutes 23 of cowboy pain and courage. She ran the bar at the Cheating Art Cafe. Yes, I was a criminal and crime didn't pay. Can't remember, sometimes good guys don't wear white. I will be your long tall Texan tonight. Straight down the highway as fast as you can go. Last of the finishing riders. We rode and rode and we still riding. So I got out of the car and I was out in the middle of nowhere. And the sun was coming up and I was out in the desert. I couldn't tell if it was all behind me or it was all in front of me. As far as you could see, that road seemed to stretch forever. Forever. As far as you could see. As far as anybody had ever could see. Maybe even farther. Like a big bull toad on a hot plate, I'm ready to blow. You can tell from the sound of my laugh. Sound like four flat tires bumping down a muddy road. Can't remember, sometimes good guys don't wear white. I will be your long tall Texan tonight. Straight down the highway as fast as you can go. Last of the finishing riders. We rode. Can't remember, sometimes good guys don't wear white. I will be your long tall Texan tonight. Straight down the highway as fast as you can go. Last of the finishing riders. We rode and rode and we still riding.
Tolmer Speedway, Bordertown, South Australia. The Rebuild